Yeah. I was like, no thank you. I was like, I appreciate it, but no thank you.
This is just an introduction before we blow your mind.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cynsational Locks, and I am back with another seamless lock combination. You know, the Cynsational Way as the only way. We got another client traveling in from North Carolina. Our last client that we posted was from North Carolina. So I see y'all showing us love out there. We've been receiving a lot of love from really everywhere, all over the country, and some places, you know, outside of the state. So I'm happy that the videos are reaching people out that way. We have another seamless lock combination video that we have yet to put out. It actually took a lot out of me and my husband, out of me and Chef Ro, to get it done. So there's not a whole lot of footage, but we want to explain some things to you guys. Anybody who's wanting to come to us for this service, I think we need to give y'all a little bit more background. I do want to kind of point out in this client's locks, basically what was going on in that video that I'm telling y'all about that you haven't quite seen yet. Look at how small his locks are in places, you know, and they had already been combined. Those really, really small locks are very difficult to distress. Distressing is like 75% of what makes this whole process work seamlessly. So if I can't distress the lock, then the seamless result isn't gonna be that. And I don't like that. So I may not be able to take you on as a client if your locks are super small and unable to be distressed. But we'll talk about that in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel on your way out. See y'all in the next one.